Good morning, my friends. Let us learn some of the questions which already came earlier from this particular chapter, measurement. And the questions which I am going to solve today has already come in earlier G main examinations. So let us go for solving questions, and for the information of all, we already provide career counseling services not only to the students of 6th standard to 12th standard, but also for graduation and working professionals. So people either online or offline, they may contact. The physical center is available in Salem, Tamil Nadu, but if anybody wants to contact me or to my team, they can contact through the number which is already given here, and we will be providing best services, career counseling services to that particular person. So let us go for solving these questions which already came in earlier G main examinations. And this particular questions which I am going to solve today, 4 questions I have taken, and these 4 questions are taken from the chapter measurement, which is the first chapter of physics of 11th standard. So let us solve it. So it is given that the density of a material it is already given yes. So the density of a material in the shape of a cube is determined by measuring 3 sides of the cube and its mass. If the relative errors in measuring the mass and length, relative errors are given in measuring the mass and length are respectively 1.5% and 1%. The maximum error in determining the density is, we have to find out. So we know that density is equal to mass by volume. Mass by volume. Okay. And mass is denoted as m if we take it as its dimension, and volume will be L cube. Okay. So density is equal to mass by volume, and volume is L cube. So when we take the error in density, so we can say that delta rho by rho is equal to delta m by m plus 3 delta L by L. Okay. Now, so maximum error we need to find out. Maximum error in density, delta L by L or delta rho by rho, it is delta rho by rho into 100. That is percentage error actually. Okay. So delta m by m into 100 plus 3 delta L by L into 100. So this will be equal to, already it is given by delta m by m into 100 is 1.5%. So 1.5 plus 3 into 1%. Okay, and this will be equal to 4.5%. So the answer will be 4.5%. Now question number 2. The following observations were taken for determining surface tension T of water surface tension T of water by capillary method. The method used is capillary method. Diameter of capillary D is equal to so and so 1.25 into 10 power of minus 2 meter. Rise of water height is also given 1.5 into 10 power of minus 2 meter, and using G is equal to 9.80 meter per second square, which is constant. Once again I am telling G is constant, and the simplified relation T is equal to rho hg by 2 into 10 power of cube Newton per meter. This is the formula which is given to find out surface tension. The possible error in surface tension is closest to. So we need to find the possible error. Now in this case, again, so the error it is given, diameter it is given here. So we are already given diameter is equal to 1.25 into 10 power of minus 2 meter. H is also given 1.45 into 10 power of minus 2 meter. Now delta D or delta H will be equal to, we can say that it will be in the range of 0.01 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Okay. So now by taking this tension T is equal to RHG by 2 into 10 power of cube Newton per meter, RHG. So we are given D, we are not given R. So in place of R, we know that D is equal to 2R. Okay. So we can make it as T is equal to DHG by 4 here into 10 power of cube Newton per meter. This is the formula of surface tension. G is constant here, 4 is constant, all the physical or all the numerical numbers are constant. So we can take it as delta T by T into 100, okay, is equal to delta D by D plus delta H by H. Okay, right, and that too into 100 into 100. Now we will be solving it. So delta D we are already given 0.01. So 0.01 into 10 power of minus 2 divided by 1.25 into 10 power of minus 2 plus delta H is given, that is 0.01 into 10 power of minus 2 divided by 1.45 into 10 power of minus 2, and that too into 100. Now this one, so 0.01 into 10 power of minus 2 we will take it outside, minus 2 divided by 10 power of minus 2 also we will take it from, okay, no need, let us don't take 10 power of minus 2. 10 power of minus 2 from the top and bottom it will be getting cancelled, right? So it will be equal to 0.01 divided by 1.25 plus 0.01 divided by 1.45 into 100. Fine. And this 0.01 decimal, 2-digit decimals are there at the top also, bottom also. So it can be written as 1 by 125 plus 1 by 145, okay, into 100, right? Okay. So now it will be equal to 145 plus 125 divided by 125 into 145, which will be giving to us as 245, 50, 70. So 270 divided by 125 into 145. Okay, 145. Right? And into 100. So into 100 we have to write into 100. Similarly into 100. So this, when we will be solving it, so the answer what we will be getting as 1.5%. When after solving it, 1.5% will be the answer. Third, a student measures the time period of 100 oscillations of a simple pendulum 4 times. The data set is 90 second, 91 second, 92 second and 95 second. If the minimum division in the measuring clock is 1 second, then the reported mean time should be. So we know that we need to find out completely first mean of the observations which are given. So x mean we will be finding out. So 90 plus 91 plus 92 plus 95 and divided by 4. Okay, because 4 observations are there, so it will be 4, and after solving it we will get 92 second. Right. Minimum division in the measuring clock is 1 second, it is given, and we need to find out now absolute error. So absolute error, how we will be finding out? That is called mean deviation. Mean deviation. So how we are finding 92 minus 90 minus 92? All mod will be there. That is xi minus x mean divided by 4. So it will be 90 minus 92 2 plus 91 minus 92 1. 92 minus 92 0 plus 95 minus 92 3 divided by 4. So 3 plus 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 divided by 4, and it is giving as 1.5 second. So mean deviation is 1.5 second. But already it is given that minimum division is 1 second. So 0.5 we will not be able to calculate. So the next number is 2 seconds. So we can write it as mean time. Mean time will be equal to 92 plus minus 2 seconds. So the first one answer is correct. Fourth question we are going to solve now. So it is given that a student measured the length of a rod and wrote it as 3.50 centimeter. Which instrument did he use to measure it? So the question is 3.50 centimeter is there. It means in 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay. So meter scale or a vernier caliper where the 10 divisions in vernier scale matches with 9 divisions in main scale, and main scale has 10 divisions in 1 centimeter. Third one is given a screw gauge having 100 divisions in the circular scale and pitch as 1 mm. And fourth one, a screw gauge having 50 divisions in the circular scale and pitch as 1 mm. So now the question is, which instrument did he use to measure it? So most probably the instrument which will be used in 10 power of minus 2 centimeter will be vernier scale. Okay, let us find out that how it will be. Okay, because uncertainty in the order is 10 to the power of minus 2. Uncertainty in the order. What is called uncertainty? It is error in the order. Error. So that is 10 to the power of minus 2 centimeter. Right. Also it is given that 10 divisions in vernier scale. Okay. 10 divisions in MSD, main scale division. Sorry, 10 is divisions in vernier scale division is equal to 9 divisions in main scale division, right? So 1 division in vernier scale division will be equal to 9 by 10 division in main scale division. Okay, 1 division in main scale division, that is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10. So 1 division in vernier scale division will be equivalent to 9 by 10 division in main scale division. Okay, so we need to find out least count. So least count of this vernier caliper will be equal to 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. Okay, 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. So it will be equal to 1 by 10 of main scale division, that is 1, minus 9 by 10 of vernier scale division, right? Okay, so this will be giving to us 1 by 10 into again 1 by 10, and this will be equal to 1 by 100, that will be equal to 0.01 centimeter. Okay, that's why we said that the uncertainty which is in the order of 0.01 centimeter will come in vernier scale division. So vernier caliper will be used. Okay, similarly we will be solving many other questions in next classes, and I hope that the students would have got clarity with these 4 questions. Similarly, other questions also are there. We will be solving it in our next classes, and in case any doubt it is there, I may be contacted through your comment. And as I said that we do have physical center in Salem, Tamil Nadu for career counseling, and we provide a right career by conducting a test, and then test will be evaluated. We do have experienced career analyst, and the students will be rightly guided. Thank you. If you have liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.